Hello there, it's Mark Bakker again with a short video on the power of PowerShell. Today I want to show you something about how to configure the Windows firewall with PowerShell. So not like this, doing stuff here graphically, but we're going to enable some inbound rules here with PowerShell. And first of all, we're going to get some rules. We're going to stick one of them on the pipeline if we filter out what we want, and then we enable that rule. Then we stick it on the pipeline again, and then we disable the rule as well. Okay. So this is the PowerShell window here, and I know I just do like firewall, right? Just see what we get back. It's a nice list, and you can pipe that to the grid view, so you have like a nice overview. See, and I want to do something with the Get-NetFirewallRule, right? So we're gonna run that command, Get-NetFirewallRule. Just see what we get back. So that's a lot. Okay. I want to see something with SMB, so I'm pretty sure where display name match SMB should get something back. Yes. Let's pipe that to the grid view. So we have like a nice overview again of this item. So see that here. You see that's a nice concise list now. Then this, the file and printer SMB in. I think that's good enough. So we're gonna do SMB in here, and we check what's inside of the grid view again. Now we have a couple of those, and I think yeah, that's fine. So basically, for instance, we want to enable these rules, right? So then now you see those are disabled here, enabled is false. So if we go to the file and printer sharing in the Windows firewall, see, those are disabled, so the traffic is not allowed. We want to allow that. We want people to use SMB remotely, to the system, so we want to enable that. And what you can do is basically this result we have now. You can pipe that to the, and let's see how that command is named. Let's get that command. Enable-NetFirewallRule. Pretty much that. Enable-NetFirewallRule. See, and that's what I meant here by sticking it on the pipeline. That's what we do here, with this sign. You stick it on the pipeline. That's this. And then we enable that rule. So we get it, stick it on the pipeline, and then we enable it. So we'll see what we get back. An error. No, we did not get the error back. So let's refresh this and go back to the file. And you see, those are now enabled, those firewall rules, right? And I'm pretty sure if you use the same rule, and perhaps let's see what's allowed. Perhaps Disable-NetFirewallRule. See, disable. So Disable-NetFirewallRule, right? Let's see. Press enter to the firewall. Then we refresh here with F5, right? And then I type file, and I scroll to those entries. You see, those firewall rules are now disabled again. Yeah, so pretty easy to enable and disable firewall rules with PowerShell. Perhaps I'm going to give another video as well on how to create firewall rules, but most of them, the built-in ones you can use, just query them, I guess, with the where operator like I did here, or you do an equal and then you stick a specific name in that you see here, and then only that firewall rule gets enabled or disabled. You can stick a bunch of those rules inside of a text file, for instance, get that with PowerShell, loop through that content, and then enable a couple of rules, for instance, do some automation, some looping, and you can extend this, of course, on a large scale. For instance, if you have like tooling, then you can apply those configurations to several systems at once. Yeah, that was it. Power of PowerShell, how to enable and disable firewall rules. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.